In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find all screen recordings on your iPhone's camera roll. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and on an iPhone we can easily do screen recording in that way, so we can quickly record any actions on our home screen, and in that way we can stop screen recording. Now let me show you how we can easily find all the screen recordings in one place. To do that, head over to Photos app, then tap right here to go to Albums, and that's where we can easily find screen recordings. That is auto-generated album which contains all the screen recordings. We can get into it to check all of them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.